time for technical update on the equity markets. The Nifty opened with a gap down today and never really recovered during the day and ended the day with an 80-point cut in today's trading session. The market breadth was negative with 327 advances to more than 1228 declines. The small cap index was down 2.6% and the mid cap index was down by 1.7%. So we could see that the selling was broad based and the selling came from all sectors in today's trading session. HDFC, L&T, Tata Motors, Reliance, Infosys, Sesa, BHEL were some of the major losers in trade today, while ITC, Bharti and TCS managed to close in the positive today. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can observe that the Nifty has closed below the 20 and 40 daily moving averages for the first time since last so many trading sessions. That when the 20 average was being breached on the downside, the 40 average was acting as a support for the Nifty. However, in today's trading session, the Nifty has closed below the 20 and 40 daily moving averages, which is a bearish sign. In terms of support, we can observe that the Nifty has closed at a crucial support of a rising trend line, which can be drawn from the lows of February connecting the lows of May. We get a crucial support trend line and the Nifty has just closed around that level. So today's low of 7540 becomes a crucial level to watch out for, and in the coming trading sessions, if we see the Nifty drifting below 7540, then the selling pressure might intensify on the downside, because this crucial support trend line will also now be breached on the downside below 7540. So below 7540, traders can add on to their short positions. On the upside, the 40-day moving average, which was until today was acting as a support, will now act as a resistance. The level of 7595, which is the 40-day moving average, will now act as a crucial resistance, and the Nifty will face selling pressure if it tries to re-enter that area. The daily momentum indicator is having a negative crossover, which is adding to the negative or the selling pressure on the downside. Now moving on to the hourly chart, we can observe that during the day the Nifty, in the opening, the Nifty saw a gap down. However, during the day we saw no real pullback from the lows of the day, and the Nifty has closed in the negative. Now this gap area, which is placed around 7630 on the downside, on the upside, and 7590 on the downside. This is a 40-point gap. Now that will also be acting as a crucial resistance, and whenever Nifty tries to enter or make a rise or make a pullback, the Nifty will face selling pressure at this crucial area of between 7630 and 7590. It is also closing below the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages. That also is a crucial resistance. The hourly momentum indicator is having a negative crossover, so all the indicators at this point of time are indicating bearish signals on the Nifty in the coming trading sessions. However, traders should add on to their short positions only below 7540, which is the crucial support trend line and the low of today. 7595 and 7630 are crucial resistances, and 7540 and 7500 are crucial supports. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty, we can observe that Bank Nifty also has opened with a gap down today, and on the charts of Bank Nifty we can observe a bearish island pattern, which is a trend reversal pattern, and it generally occurs at the top of major turning points in the market. So we can observe a bearish island pattern, and until and unless we see this gap area being filled, we should remain bearish on the Bank Nifty as well. We expect selling pressure in Bank Nifty to continue. Crucial supports or targets on the downside for Bank Nifty are placed at 14,642 and 14,558. On the upside, 14,858 and 15,000 will act as crucial resistance. So overall friends, the view on the Nifty still remains negative. Today we saw a gap down opening, then no real signs of recovery from the lows of the day, indicating that there is more still downside left before we get a meaningful bounce. So in the coming trading sessions, traders should look at selling on rises if there is a rise on the upside. That's all for the day. Thank you.